Welcome again, my dear students of 12th class. Today we are going to start exceptional supply curve. As already we have started the chapter, and in previous classes I have told you that supply curve is a positive slope. It means upward sloping. SS. It is showing that price rises, quantity supply will also rise. Price falls, quantity supply will also fall. But today we are doing exceptional supply curve. Is it possible? Exceptional supply curve is possible. Now we can see that in two ways. The exceptions. First is the supply curve may be vertical, and second, supply curve may be backward sloping. First of all, we shall do the vertical supply curve. I have told you in this type of vertical supply curve in very short period also. I will remember in very short period we have done that. We have producers, because in the supply chapter we have to imagine ourselves that we are producers. In very short period we can't increase the quantity supply. Whatever is the price is 10 rupees, price is 50 rupees or 20 rupees, but we can't increase the quantity. What's the reason? Because this is a very short period. Whatever is the price, no difference does that make. Right? One case of very short period, and other case you can say in the case of rare goods. Rare goods as old manuscripts, classical paintings, old coins, and rare postage stamps. First, you can see in the case of very short period. Second, you can see in the case of rare goods, as I have told you about all these things. And then agriculture products also, you can see that as rice, wheat and other products also in agriculture, you can see that already it has been produced. Whatever is the stock, it is the total supply, because whatever will be grown once, you can't increase or decrease the supply again, because already the preparations will be done. Whatever will be produced and brought into the market, there may not change. That's why I have told you about this vertical supply curve. The price is 10, 20, no different does that mean. The supply will be same. The quantity supply will be same. But it may occur that due to less supply, the price will be high. Because less supply, it means price will be high. And more supply, the price will be low. And at this time, all of you can see that supply is fixed. Vertical means supply is fixed. And due to fixed supply, the producers can take the benefit of this and they can impose higher prices on the consumers. The first topic is clear. Now we come on the second. This is backward sloping curve. All of you can see that at this time the supply curve is not upward sloping. This is backward sloping. And backward sloping curve is showing that when the price is less, it means OP, the quantity is OQ. If price rises, the quantity supply will be less. And in the law of supply we have done that other things remaining the same. If price rises, quantity supply will also rise. But what we are seeing here, if prices is rising, quantity supply is falling. This is also exception because it is not upward. That's why it is also exceptional case. Now we can see that backward sloping curve, it may occur in the case of labor supply. Labor supply, you can see that shorter hours if wages are higher. It means when producers or owner of the firm is giving the OP1 wages, then quantity supply of hours, it means how many hours they are working, then it is OQ1. If wages decrease from OP1 to P1P, अगर wages decrease होती है बच्चों, now quantity is from Q1 to Q1Q. then it is from Q1 to Q. It means more wages, less hours they are working. Less wages, more hours they are working. Because in the higher wages, they are enjoying more leisure. This is backward sloping curve. All of you can write here A point, B point, because these points are denoting when wages or price, you can say. Price, it means wages of the laborers. If it is OP, then quantity supply is OQ. If wages or price of the labor from OP to P1, then it is from OQ to Q1. It means B point. When we shall attach all these A and B points, then it will be backward sloping curve. So these are the exceptions. Today we have done this. I hope all of you will learn this, and please draw this curve 2 times for practice. Thank you.